Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday morning. We got the car on the lift. We're getting ready to drop the tranny and hopefully install this Hughes internal dump valve. Try and help us get this car spooled a lot quicker. Really takes a long time for this stock bottom M53 with a 98mm turbo to get on the chip. It takes us roughly around 15 seconds to get on 6 pounds of boost. So we hit it with a 75 shot of nitrous, which helped a lot. It'll get on 6 pounds of boost like in 3 seconds. But what we really want to do is loosen up the converter a little bit with this dump valve so that it doesn't put too much strain on the thrust bearing in this motor, and hopefully we can make it last a little bit longer. We weren't really thinking about taking apart the transmission. We did have an issue with the tranny, and we figured since we already have the tranny off, might as well look at it. Every time we put the car in reverse, it would take around 10 to 15 seconds before it would engage. So we figured, well, it's out, might as well take a look at it and see if we can find what's wrong with it. So we took apart the front pump and found that the pump gear was actually tearing up the pump. So we decided to fix it. We pulled off the filter, and yeah, that's not good. That is definitely not good. Time to tear it apart. Look at that. Yep. So we're gonna press out this stator tube and put this one in the new one, and then modify the new one. We should probably clean this one, dude. So we pulled out the reverse clutch pack and found that it had 5 clutches in it. So we're gonna install 6 clutches. And yes, I know it's ghetto. We're gonna use one of the old clutches and 5 new clutches. So we're gonna install this, and in the forward drum, it had 5 clutches also. We're gonna install 7 clutches. It's 20% more holding power. So we're gonna add 2 more clutches and see what it does. We are back with this damn transmission that we're trying to fix. We just rebuilt it about a week ago. Took it out to a memorial race, no prep race, and broke the input shaft. So now it's back out of the car. We're gonna replace it, put a heavy duty input shaft, and see what we can do. Hopefully we can make it to next month's race, so stay tuned.